Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about the 4th Ray Beauty Avocado plus Aloe Double Shot Face Serum. One of my favorite serum. This serum does double duty, nourishing and replenishing skin with essential fatty acids. It is a nourishing and hydrating serum with antioxidant rich avocado oil and aloe to make skin soft. It is made with avocado, aloe and cucumber. That's why the serum is look like a green serum. This serum reduces the appearance of acne marks. Also, it targets the look and feel of both uneven skin tone and texture. This serum for especially who has dry skin. Continuing using this, the skin will look like very moisturizing, hydrating and soft. This serum is green color. Before you use this, please shake it very well. If you like the video, then please give a thumbs up and thank you so much for watching. Bye.